You've completely forgotten about an important presentation? Don't worry, we know a tool for you. I'm Jado, an AI avatar, and today, I'm going to introduce you to a presentation-making AI. You can register for Gamma for free, and they'll immediately give you 400 tokens. With this, you can create presentations up to 80 pages long. After registration, you'll be automatically directed to the Generate page, which you can access later from the home screen under the Create New menu. As you can see, there are various things you can generate from a short prompt, but for now, we'll just try creating a presentation. You can see example prompts right away. I've chosen the world of plants, but I'll make a slight modification so it's not just a memorized response. Let's add colonization of the North Pole to it. Let's see what we get from this based on the prompt. We already have 8 presentation slides with suggested subheadings on the topic. By modifying these subheadings, we can incorporate different aspects into the presentation. We can determine the amount of textual content on each slide and whether we want to use AI-generated images or images available on the internet for the presentation. When searching the internet, we can specify the copyright status of the images. At the Continue button, we can see that this generation will cost 40 credits out of the 400 received, so there are no surprises. We can precisely see the usage of credits. Then, we can choose from the pre-made themes. It's worth browsing through these, but for this North Pole theme, the blue-white layout fits. By clicking on the Generate button, it starts creating our presentation within seconds. You can see that it initiates the generation of textual and visual content simultaneously, but the visual content only gets incorporated into our presentation a few seconds later. This looks good at first glance, so let's check it out in its entirety.
Clicking and typing, creating a flow, digital canvas, it's time to show. We gathered our thoughts, AI, particularly creating a PowerPoint. It's all we need. Slides and transitions, colors so bright, AI tools working day and night. We brought our ideas to virtual life with every slide.
We can also export the completed presentation into PPTX or PDF format. If you enjoyed the video and would like to further develop your AI skills, subscribe to our channel or newsletter on the www.synsenseai.com website.